All right, today we're going to change the Pureair Pro filter in our new TRANE air handling unit. What you want to do is you want to come over here to the system, find the breakers on the system here and turn them to off position, which we've already done. Then you're going to come over here to where the filter is located.
Seriously, can you cut stuff off?
And you're going to open your filter cage. You want to pay attention to the grill. If it's dirty, you want to clean it off. And then you're going to pull the filter out, and there's a little power wire right here. And you're going to unplug it just like that. And kind of set that out of the way for a moment. Here's the filter. We're going to take it apart, and we're going to put a new medium in it. Stop. All right, this is our medium right here. You can see it's really pretty dirty. We had a new system installed right about 4 months ago, and this is the first time we're changing the filter. And what you need to do here is open up the little tabs here, and you'll see it open up. Now, we're going to take a vacuum cleaner, and we're going to clean this up. But this is the medium right here. Right here. You see this little tube? You're going to see in a minute here, we're going to slide that back into the other medium. Again, what we're doing today is that we're changing out the medium filter for our Pureair Pro air handling units, polarized media panel. And we got a new system installed right about 3.5 months ago, 4 months ago. And again, this is the cage that holds the filter. And it's got these little tabs right here on both sides. You undo them. It folds out like so. And this is where the new medium is going to go in a moment. We vacuum cleaned this off already and cleaned it. And we vacuumed out the little cage where this filter is going to go into for the air handler unit. And then we're going to reinsert it. All right, here's the new filter that we're going to put in. And you see there's a little tube right here. And this tube's going to slide right here into this. So you just take it accordingly, lift it up, slide it in, and then place this into the filter cage. And then we're going to close the cage, and then we're going to reinstall this filter. All right, here's our filter cage. And you just set the filter back into the cage, and then you're going to replug it, the sensor in, right into the plug.
Oh, it's right here. I can't see. There we go.
Okay, there it goes into the plug. And then make sure you position the wire so it's not binding anywhere. And reinsert it back into the cage. And then you're going to close up the grill and lock it in place. And your filter has been changed for this type of system. There you go. Come back to the furnace, to your air handling unit, return on the switch. Filter has been changed. Mark your calendar to do this about every 90 days, and your system will operate properly.